Photosynthesis, a project by Mohammed and Hashem and Yusuf Safa. Why is it important? For plants, it produces a usable energy and glucose, and for humans, it releases oxygen into the atmosphere for which we breathe. Organisms that use photosynthesis: algae and cyanobacteria. Explain the structure and function of the parts of the chloroplast. The thylakoid are things inside the chloroplast that contain a special pigment called chlorophyll that absorbs light energy. Stacks of thylakoids are called granum. They are they are stacked to increase surface area for reactions. They are surrounded by a colorless fluid called stroma that dissolves substances. As we can see here in the diagram, the thylakoids are in sacs of granum, and it's surrounded by a colorless fluid in stroma. Explain what happens during the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs the light energy, and the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. H2O molecules are broken down, and energy is converted to ATP. It occurs in the thylakoid. The reactants are H2O, light, ADP, and NADP. The reactants are products are oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. The reactants and products are connected because oxygen is released into the atmosphere, is a byproduct and released into the atmosphere, and glucose is used to power the reaction and convert ADP to NADP to ATP and NADP to NADPH. Explain what happens during the light-independent stage of photosynthesis. What is happening? The reactants of the products of LDR are used as product in LIR, light-independent reaction, and glucose is produced for the plant. It occurs inside the stroma. The products are CO2, ATP, and ADPH, and the reactants are glucose. The product and the reactants and products are connected because CO2 is used to produce the glucose, and the ATP and NADPH are used to power up the reaction. Summarize the chemical equation. Carbon dioxide is used to produce the sugar. Used to produce the sugar. The water molecule is a byproduct and is broken down. While the CO2 is also a byproduct and is released into the atmosphere. Compare cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Cellular respiration occurs inside the mitochondria and releases energy, while photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast and stores energy. The similarities are that they both involve the exchanging of gases, and both involve the production of energy. Thank you for watching.